Toma 1482. Good afternoon, teacher and instructor. We project is about physical and chemical analysis the petty sheets. Member
Andrés Corso Palacios.
En Belandia.
and me, Lorena Zambrano. A problem situation. The company is affected by product. The laboratory requires physical and chemical analysis to determine the sample metaparameters. Then we start from the parameters provided with the NTC. That way it is determined if the petty sheet complies with the established parameters. Problem question. The petty sheet complies at the established in NTC 6894. Justification. How? Using the NTC in order to gaining more hamlet the petty cheese. Why? Se me olvidó esa parte. A la verga. Ah, to know the petty cheese. What? Compare the petty cheese with parameters. This is computation number 1. Perform laboratory alerting operation according to procedure established. Establish. It has 5 learning curve. It's each linked to several activities. Time life. It starts from April to October 2070. Diagrama de flujo. Se me olvida.
The first we do is coat the milk, and then the milk is carried out into the factory in a truck. This milk should be maintained in 4 degrees. Then when the milk come to the factory, it is carried out a quality control in order to verify if the milk is good for the consumption. Then we run the milk in order to eliminate other microbiologies, and then we start the process of centrifugation, and then the milk is separated from the skimming milk in the screen, and when the screaming milk we do the cheese petit, and then we add some screen, and we have the cheese petit of Alpina. And this is the early measure. The its function is warming liquids, and those vapors should not be in contact with the heat sources. It is made up by heat resistant glass, and then we have the the analytical balance. The analytical balance is equipment who is used to measure small messes. His operation is it uses an electromagnetic force restoration sensor. This is the diagram of the wave. This is residues. The residues is classified in three kinds. The first kind is chemical. The chemical is or can be recycled or take out. When you take out a chemical residue, when it is solid, should be calcinate into the muffle. But when the chemical residue is liquid, it should be neutralized and then take out into a glass of residues. And then we have the organic and broken glass. It should be put into the green bin. And finally we have the biological, and it is put into the green bin. First company, the first competence. analyze sample according to the process implemented by the library. These competence have 7 results, each one with her respective evidence. This is the line time. The line time start from November of the 2017 to August of the 2018. This is the Mark Theorec, and it say that our cheese petit is made up by skimming milk plus some sunscreen, and it is called cheese petit of Alpina. It is a skim it's a semi-lean cheese. It is made up by 68% of moisture to 18% of moisture. It is make up no. It have a maximum of 25% of fat. It is rich in iron, zinc, and calcium. Up.
These are the companies under bar simple. First name, structure, function, kind. Cheese components. First name, full acid, structure, function, antioxidant, kill, organic. Citric acid, structure, function, acid regulator, kind, organic. First name, vitamin D, structure, function, antioxidant, kind, organic. First name, calcium, structure, function, antioxidant, kind, inorganic. First name, pectin, structure, function, stability, kind, organic. First name, ascorbic, structure, function, antioxidant, kind, organic. Sampling. In synthesis, when Wisnet and Clues clash, it was in order ten simple kilowatt sample tempered for syrups and midmus beta kin 100 grams on simple. Container of class unity that into analyze.
Listo, ya, pauselo. A ver
Nos
cuánto
toca
nos
mirar,
demoramos.
a ver, salimos de acá y ponemos aquí, a ver si sigue grabando.